W Hotel, and we're about to go in, and you see this big W, right?
Please follow me inside. I will show you around.
Hello. At the front here, there's this display, and there's a restaurant there for food.
There's music playing 24 hours a day.
And here,
This is a trendy 5-star hotel. It is the best hotel we stayed in before. We didn't pay for this hotel. We got this for free from Mom's loyalty points.
We also got the free upgrade. We get ice cream for free every day, and drinks for free every day.
hello, the ice cream, yes. The band, yes, the band there and the band here.
I have a chocolate flavor, strawberry, and a vanilla. Which flavor you want?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Strawberry, okay, sure. She will get for you. You can wait for a moment.
Okay, thank you.
How is your day?
How is your day?
Good. Did you swim?
Have you swam or not?
Not yet.
Not yet, later.
Like not yet. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We get the cupcakes.
No, you keep this, yes. Tomorrow you get another ice cream. This restaurant is designed very beautifully with a fried egg on the floor. Ice creams are finally here. Yeah, what do you say, Max?
Thank you.
Yeah, Reese? Yeah, thank you. Okay, come go to our room now.
This 5-star hotel is very different to other 5-star hotels. It's full of colors. It has lots of trendy paintings, decorations on the wall, and cool sculptures. Now we are going up to our room.
This is a
See,
beautiful
the lift.
lift.
Yeah, no, very beautiful. You see the design here?
Cushion.
It feels like you are in Alice and Wonderland.
If you're stuck in this lift, you can sleep here.
We are now heading to our room. See, the wall here is so nice. And also the chandelier.
Better, I guess.
Oh, there's a cushion that says bath. I love this hotel. I never wanted to.
Come, let's show the bathroom and the toilet.
Okay, here's a bathroom and a toilet and a shower.
Yeah, very nice bathroom. The toilet is over here. Yeah, our luggages are here, yes. The bath also is very trendy, you see. The bath here.
I know.
Shower is very trendy.
I'm washing myself in the shower.
What's in here? Some drinks, things in there. Some snacks at the side here.
There's a monkey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Monkey.
And how about here, down here? Oh, that's just a fridge with drinks in there.
46.
Yeah.
Look, a monkey.
Nice.
A monkey.
Is there a monkey? Where's the, oh, on the pillow there's a monkey, you see?
Here's a bed.
Yeah.
And if you see this, it says W level.
And how about the view?
Ooh, ah, look, the swimming pool.
Yeah, want to go there later?
It's like a party room.
It's such a big swimming pool.
Okay. The view is very beautiful from the balcony. You can see a lot of yachts parking on the water. Now we are going down to the drink bar to get some free drinks. After that, we'll go to the swimming pool.
So, swimming pool?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get drink first, right?
You can lie down here and relax yourself.
Can you push, please?
No, I'm not supposed to push. This one is just to relax here like this. Alright, how about the gym? Want to have a look at the gym?
Yeah.
Gym is here.
It's closed.
It's not closed, you can just pull. Just have to use our card.
Oh, no. We're going to the pool, right?
Yeah, we go and get some drink, then go to the pool. That's it, and then let's go. Pool.
Ow!
Be careful.
You dropped my foot!
Alright, let's go.
Why are we going in here?
Just to have a look at the gym.
We can eat apples.
Quite a big gym with quite a lot of facilities.
Are you gonna do exercise?
I'll do later at night.
This gym is by far the biggest gym I've seen in a hotel.
Come on, let's go, Max, please.
Well, 7. Look at the first.
No, we are not. We are on the second floor. Let's ask the person there. Hello. So where do I get my happy hour drink?
Oh, it's a level 1 skirt bar.
Downstairs.
Yes, level 1. So on
Outside?
the way to the end, all the way to the end, down the stairs on the right.
Oh, down here. Hello. No, I want to get my happy hour drink.
Yes.
Yes,
Welcome.
happy hour drink. Hello. Can we bring to the swimming pool?
Sure.
Oh, okay.
Let's
So
sit
sit first, alright. Come on, let's sit here.
Bring the drinks for takeaway, but you can consume it here.
Oh, consume here, then only we go to the swimming pool.
Yeah.
And then the happy hours is finish at 7, right?
7 o'clock.
Yeah, 7, so I have to drink now. Alright. Yeah, thank you.
So this will be the menu, sir.
Okay.
We have here some red wine, white wine, spirits, soft drinks, and juices as well.
Oh, okay. Thank you. What do you want then?
Did you get your ice cream already from the other restaurant?
Yeah.
You have?
Yes. I can order now. Yes.
Yes. Alright, what would you like?
I went for a short walk while waiting for the drinks. You can see here, there are lots of yachts on the water. This is where rich people come to enjoy and relax. Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Have
Yeah.
a good day.
Yeah, you too. See you. Bye-bye.
Now we are on our way to the swimming pool.
Press this. Okay, let's go.
Why are you going up?
Then we go up and then we go down on the other side, not here. Can both sit?
If you can see, there's a cow.
Yeah, is there a cow? It's a cow here, yes, a cow head. Hey, is the cow holding a mesh?
I thought that was fingers.
No, yeah, these are fingers, but that's a mesh. See, holding a mesh.
But of course, match is dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a hole here.
Yeah, but it's black in the middle.
Let's go. Coconut trees here. See? The whole bunch of them. Let's go then. Let's go.
Where's the coconut?
I think maybe not season. No coconuts here.
I think it is summer. I think it's summer.
No, here there's no summer. There's only dry and wet season. I think now it may be middle of the wet season, but just a coincidence, it's not raining. So it's not too hot now, and it's not raining.
Daddy,
Yeah,
this place is hot and wet.
yeah, hot and wet, hot and humid. Yeah, so you sweat easily and you feel sticky. You see, there's a nice sculpture there.
And you get tired easily.
Yeah.
But who made it? That's the question.
Well, who made it? It's just the weather. Come on, go and swim now. Let's go.
It's a deep bit.
See, the swimming pool is quite big, right? Don't you think so? Yeah.
That's it, is it?
Yeah. All right, let's go.
And fountain.
Let's go and get and there's a big W sign there.
If you know Big W.
Yeah, and there's a water slide.
Whoever knows Big W,
How about we sit here? Do we want to sit here? Put our things here,
What?
put my phone, my things here, everything here, alright? And then we go on the slide, okay?
Can you? Hiya. Down like now.
Let's go there, let's go into the pool. Oi! Let's go.
No.
Let's go and see there, over there.
Daddy.
Relax. Yes. Come on here. Let's sit here and relax. The W sign there. And see here, there's a pool where you can have your drinks.
I'm taller than that.
Yeah, you're taller than this, yes.
I'm a race.
Also same, yes. Let's go. Come on, just go, please. This one is very slow. It's not a fast slide, it's a very slow slide. You trust me. How about you stay on my lap then? Huh? Sit on my lap? Come on, let's go. Can we go together? One person each time.
My boss told me you cannot already.
Okay, thank you. See you. See you later, alright, Reese? Wait here, huh?
Reese is too short, so he couldn't go on the slide.
Slow. Whee! 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 Getting faster now. Let's go. It is almost 7 o'clock and the sky is getting dark. The lights around the pool will come on and the atmosphere was just wonderful. I sat down and enjoyed myself, hoping that this holiday would not end so fast. As night approached, the big W sign at the front of the hotel would change color. It was time to sleep. Max couldn't stop playing with the lights. If you couldn't sleep early, or if you like to come out late at night, you could go to Chinatown. Shops open till late at night. There are many seafood restaurants in Chinatown. Beside the seafood restaurants, there are also many hawker stalls. Food is much cheaper at the hawker stalls. There's a heritage museum in Chinatown. However, it only opens during the day and it closes at night. There are many nice graffitis on the wall. There is no lousy graffiti in Singapore.
Our videos and expeditions are sponsored by PriceDumb. PriceDumb sells your everyday items at very low prices. PriceDumb has many brands such as Xiaomi, DJI, Gildan, Epson, Apple, Samsung, and many more. They sell a wide range of products such as home entertainment, computer and phone accessories, tools, fashion, and many more. Please visit PriceDumb with a B at the end and get an extra 5% off on already low price by using code EXTRA5. Please continue watching the video and I hope you enjoy.
During daytime, there are many places to visit in Chinatown, such as this Buddha Tooth Relic Museum. With its gold color, the place looks very grand. The children love playing with the prayer wheel, so do I. Check out some of our Instagram photos. We are now walking towards Gardens by the Bay. The gardens are not far from Marina Bay, so you could actually visit Marina Bay first and then walk to the gardens from Marina Bay, or vice versa. The gardens are a must-see when you're in Singapore. We went during the school holiday season. The place was very crowded. If you don't like the crowd, I recommend you to go when school is on, so there will be fewer people.
You can feel the drizzle.
Max was having fun playing with the water vapor. The place looked very mysterious and slightly eerie from the thick fog. There are two indoor buildings at the gardens. One is called the Flower Dome, which we were at earlier, and the one we are at now is called the Cloud Forest. Each one is very different. Flower Dome has many different kinds of flowers for the flower lovers, and Cloud Forest has a lot of tall trees and greenery. At night, there are parades and light shows at the outdoor section of the gardens. If you want to be at the front of the parade or the light show, please come a bit earlier, as the place is really crowded. The best thing to do during the hot days of Singapore is to visit one of the shopping malls. We usually like to frequent Suntec City. Besides wishing for luck and fortune on this fountain of wealth, you can relax yourself there, you can do some shopping there, and also you can enjoy some food there. You can see an artist here creating a nice graffiti on the wall. There's no ugly graffiti in Singapore. Here are some of the nice photos of those graffitis. I took these photos while I was there. Haji Lane is where you can spot all these nice graffitis. It is a very cool place. There are lots of cool restaurants and bars. Haji Lane is within walking distance to the Masjid Sultan Mosque. The mosque is open to visitors, even to non-Muslims. You can clean and cool yourself before entering and exiting the mosque. July was the durian season. Durians were imported into Singapore from neighboring country Malaysia. Durian is a type of stinky fruit. Some people love it, some people hate it. You can easily buy them on the street during the season. Here's a video of how I open a durian.
Good.
You can easily go around Singapore in the hop-on and hop-off bus. I find that the best time to go on the bus is during the evening, when the sun is setting, as it is not so hot and the city looks beautiful when the lights come on. Singapore is a very fun and exciting place to visit. We made separate videos of Kidzania and Universal Studio in Singapore. Please watch our 2 previous videos before this.
We'll be making more fun videos. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. I hope to see you soon.